No. No, no, no. This simply will not do. Sharper! Sharper! Yes, keep going! Did you see that? One more! One more! Sorry.
Hey, give it back!
You should have seen me! I was on fire today. You're so lucky to have me as a friend. Bro, where have you been? I was hanging out with this feathered guy. He lives on an island, can't fly. And they're all like that there, can you imagine?
Brothers, across the sea there is an island. Fat, helpless birds live there. They cannot fly. While we dig through garbage, they live in paradise. But not anymore. We will sail there, and every Kakapo will be ours. Who is with me?
Get out now! The rats are coming! Now, go! Caught you.
Look, now you can see me. Like this, you can't see me. See? Now you can see me. And like this, you can't see me.